Yellow Building, 10, 11, and 12, offering 6 flavors of premium ice cream, 10 flavors of gourmet and Italian ice cream, fruit smoothies, milkshakes, pina coladas, and cotton candy. Food Express offers 4 hours of breakfast and lunch, including bacon and eggs, sausage and eggs, burgers, curly fries, and more. An AT&T in the Yellow Building, 71 and 72, offering a new size liquid, direct importer machine products.
Thanks for shooting some. Go ahead.
64, offering pepperoni, sausage, gourmet, also serving hot sandwiches and hot stromboli. Also sell from stuffed 5 ordered to take home. Always fresh at Rocky's Pizza, Yellow Building 64. And the grand opening of
You have to videotape it like peeking through. So go to the other side. No. Then you have to turn around. Come on. Got stuck.
At your desk, contact the Yellow Building 47, antiques, collectibles, and gifts. Antiques Chinese food in the Yellow Building, number 65, offering home-style Chinese food, offering a new lunchbox special for $5, including 1 entree, 1 stick, 1 egg roll, 1 sub.